I'm sorry, I have to tell you this. Just listening a lot doesn't automatically improve your listening skills. Why? I'll tell you why and the fundamental way to actually improve your listening comprehension right away. I bet you go like, it really makes sense. Without further ado, let's get into today's topic. Why you can read Korean but can't listen? The reason is far simpler than you think. The secret lies in the link between Korean words and the sound of them in your brain. What does it mean? Look at this image. Here's how your brain understands a foreign language through listening. Unless you're a native Korean speaker, when you hear a Korean sound, your brain starts to find a Korean word that matches with the sound. If your brain finds it, you understand the meaning. If you understand this process, now you can also understand why you can read Korean but can't listen. Let me explain it simply. Long story short, there's a good chance that your brain linked Korean words to the wrong sounds. Too far from the original Korean sound. Let me give you an example to make this clearer. Actually, you can see the same word sound linking problem occurs to Koreans learning English. Although one of my Korean friends understands this word whale through reading, when hearing the sound whale, she can't understand what it means. Because in her brain, the word whale is linked to the sound whale, the Korean-style pronunciation, which led her to poor English listening comprehension. This is a really common thing to language learners. A lot of language learners tend to link the word from a language they're learning to their native language's sounds, just like my Korean friend did with whale. However, after I told her whale sounds whale, not whale, dozens of times, she finally caught the meaning when she heard it properly. This is what you should do if you want to improve your Korean listening comprehension. In other words, you have to newly build the right word-sound connection. But how? You can start with Korean phonics all the way down from the beginning, but it'll be extremely boring. So what I recommend is avoid listening only, but read the script or something like that too when listening, so that you can create the right connection between Korean words and their original sounds. Simply put, just try this. Investing 10 minutes or 20 minutes a day. Step 1. Listen to 1 or 2 Korean words or sentences while reading them. Step 2. Listen to the same things without reading them and write down what you heard in Korean. Step 3. See if you've got the right answer. Step 4. Keep going until your 10 or 20 minutes are up. You can always go longer, but remember, consistency matters more than duration. It'll fix your word-sound connection and you'll unlock a whole new page of your Korean learning journey. I recommend you to do this practice until you can write down in Korean most of what you hear in Korean. This might seem going more slowly than other Korean learners, but in the perspective of the long-term learning, you'll go farther and farther than other learners. As a side note, it's not about you pronouncing the native sounds. It's all about you noticing native Korean speakers pronounce this word like this. So don't worry if your pronunciation is not the same as native Koreans. Got it? Today we've talked about how to fundamentally improve your listening comprehension. And remember, it's not about hearing more, it's about hearing right. If you like this video, please check the pinned comment below. I've got something you might like. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.